with pi. When we're dealing with numbers with pi, one of the important things is we're going to use 3.14 for pi. Now this is where it can be a little tricky because on Desmos there is a pi button, but we are not going to use it. Okay, so if we look, we can find the pi button under functions, and you can kind of see it down here in the bottom right. We are not going to use pi button. We're going to use 3.14. And so I'm going to do 2 times 3.14, and I get 6.28. Let me show you what happens. Oh, here's the pi button right there. If I do pi, you'll see that the number gives me more decimal places. In 8th grade math, we use 3.14 for pi because we're just using that. You will use the actual pi later on in geometry when you get there. But for right now, do not use the pi button, use 3.14. And so we get 2 pi equals 6.28. If I was going to do 6 pi, again, 6 times 3.14, and you get 18.84. Pause the video and do 4 pi. Did you get 4 times 3.14 is 12.56? That's what you should have gotten. Okay, if it's negative, no big deal. We just do -5 times 3.14, and you get -15.7. Go ahead and pause the video and try the next 2. You should have gotten -10 times 3.14 is -31.4, and -3 times 3.14 is -9.42. So -9.42, -31.4. Okay, so that's changing numbers with pi. All right, square root.